All right, what's going on, everyone? Um, Bit of a frustrating day today. Um, as you can see, I took a step backwards, 270 on in the Topstep account, but I did make money in my cash account. I made a choppy $90 over there. I took one loss, and the rest of them were just a bunch of chops. One loss, one target hit, and then the rest were, I think it was like three scalps, just due to all the the choppy price action. But as far as this Top Step account, here's the trades I took today. As you can see, some of them were. This one actually got lucky on this one. The first one I got lucky. I played my strategy according to the way it's supposed to be played. But then like when I entered the trade, the platform did something weird and it removed my stop. So like there was no break even or anything. I don't know what happened. And I saw I had some orders sitting down here for some reason. Um, I don't know. It was weird. So I went, instead of just trying to manage it manually, I just kind of went ahead and once it got to where I was seeing a lot of resistance, I went ahead and exited out of the trade, took the profits, and um, just let it be from there. Then I tried to get in again here, but I ended up getting in. So the way that the price action was today, I ended up getting in a little late here. So this could have actually ended up being a scalp, but my entry wasn't perfect. And you see it bounced up, it spiked up a little bit, then it dropped right back down, and I took a loss there. And then I was just playing my strategy. I played the dip here and got filled in. It triggered me in, and then immediately broke back down. But my main focus today was to be aggressive and just let the strategy work out, and not over manage or over trade today, or not be too passive. So this is I probably was more aggressive here than I was in my cash account. I did the same thing, but it was um, I ended up getting better entries and stuff in the cash account. But for Top Step, I just wanted to go strictly off the strategy. And the reason I got something planned in the future. The reason why I'm decided to do it this way, but strictly off my main strategy. And here's the results of how that turned out. So I took two losses, this one and then that one, which put me. I was still green by this time, but this one put me negative for today, and then I ended up, taking trades here, and both of them I just got. Let's see, that's one, two, three, yeah, six total trades. So all three of these ended up the price, going in my direction and immediately pulling back. Actually, this is like a loser. I don't even remember this one, but these two, that it couldn't have been. Not exactly sure because I don't remember taking two losses. But anyway, the price was really choppy here, and I ended up before it. This last one was just the really frustrating one because this was supposed to be a 2-to-1 trade, and had the price not been so choppy here, it would have hit my target. You know, uh, risking one to make two, if that makes sense. Uh, so that would have been a $400 trade and would have got me back green for the day. So yeah, that's pretty much. And then by this time, yeah, because I only trade from. Let's see, what time was this? Yeah, so I wouldn't even had another opportunity until 5 minutes before my the time that I stopped trading for the day. So yeah, yeah, that was the last opportunity I had was there, and according to my strategy, by the design of my strategy, I didn't have any more entries. So that was I missed this whole ride here because of the choppiness before it decided to finally take off. Um, yeah, so that's how my day went. And actually, I didn't mean, but by this time I had 5 trades in my cash account, and I didn't want to overtrade. I feel like that was enough. What I'm saying, I was already positive. I was green in that, with the real money. So that's 5 trades in a day is enough. Especially when it was super choppy like that. And plus, I didn't really have any, without being too aggressive. I didn't have another entry, and in this whole ride. I would have had to be really aggressive. So I stopped trading by this time. All right, so it kind of sucks to take a step backwards in the top step combine, but I have a bigger plan with this now than just trading and making money in it. It's kind of like I'll put out a video in the future. You'll see what I have planned to do. What my plan is with this Top Step account. Um, so yeah, that was my day for the day, my trades for the day.